morning! Today we will be making a certified breakfast classic. Scrambled eggs. You like it more creamy? We got you. Like it more crispy? Country style? We got you. So without further ado, let's roll. It's a morning of January 17th, 2024. And I need to eat some breakfast food. What is better than some scrambled eggs with an avocado toast on the side? Practically nothing. So let's start off with the raw eggs first. In a bowl, I will crack in 4 eggs. On a flat surface so the eggshells stay where they're supposed to. Or not. Anyway, then I will add in a little bit of salt and pepper. And a pinch of herb mix I've had. This is not necessary. Then get a fork and just whisk the eggs so the egg yolk and egg whites are all fully mixed. Something like so. Now, if you have a non-stick pan, that's awesome. You barely need any fat in it. So if you want less cholesterol, don't do this next step. But if you want more flavor to the eggs, then do it. Add in about a tablespoon of butter. Let it melt and get to all the nooks and crannies of the pan. Now we will start with regular, creamy scrambled eggs. Once the butter is melted, add in your egg mixture and with a wooden spoon, or my favorite silicone spatula, start moving the curds of eggs so they don't fully cook. Once you're at the creaminess you like, kill off the heat and you have yourself creamy scrambled eggs. It's that easy. Just don't let it overcook. Now you can add garnishes and whatnot. Me personally, I like it plain with an avocado toast. That is also very easy to make. Get an avocado, slice it, then get a toast. On it, add some cream cheese, and of course, salt the goddamn avocados. You can put the scrambled eggs on a toast too. Do what you want. That's what cooking is about. Cool. Now's the time for country style scrambled eggs. Honestly, I do my eggs this style more often, so I'm not biased at all. Or is it called country style omelet? I don't know. Anyway, it's pretty similar, just this time we let the eggs cook a bit more and don't mix the curds as much. Once we have a bit of browning on the bottom, flip the eggs over and do the same for the other side. And that's it, it's done. It's that easy. Here we have our country style eggs done. Get another avocado toast, and that's what I call a breakfast, if I've ever seen one. Now which one do I prefer more? You guessed it, country style. Just because I'm more used to it, but both eggs turned out great. It's that easy. Subscribe if you liked the video, and peace!